Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that XLR token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, XLR is a DeFi protocol powered by the FAWEX formula, providing untraceable and secure transaction on the blockchain. It's designed to give users complete financial privacy and control over their assets. The FAWEX formula is their proprietary security protocol that forms the core of Xcellar untraceable transaction system. It utilizes advanced zero-knowledge proofs and cryptographic techniques to ensure complete autonomy, complete anonymity. Xcellar project institution rating is 3. Xcellar token total supply is 950 million and circulating supply is around 933 million XCL token. XCL token is listed on MEXC, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.